Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to prevent from taking Facebook story screenshot. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Now scroll down and under Audience and Visibility, tap on Profile Locking. Then tap on Lock Your Profile at the bottom. Tap on OK. Now people won't be able to take screenshot of your story. And that is how to prevent from taking Facebook story screenshots. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.